Kani kediga Batisi TV, mat pidang pek yaki kubur baman kasni, belawan rasha pida ka Orange Nissan Loom Sopo near Fire Brigade Shillong, ringkat bat ka eco-friendly enterprise, ki plakot nagbenta ki jingdon kam hakasong, bat kara karong.
Parat laispasan pautli ki yeng haki arpoi tli ki shnong, jong ka jala Meghalaya, kila Shakta, nakadaw ka jing silay bat ka jing salat ka eryong, ka balawan ru yaw labba ubajur, haki ni ki kendiat sengi balalany. Nakaliang jong Menteri Sarkar kani kejala ubak kami yakatnat Revenue and Disaster Management ubak kermen shela hak jengkran bat ke Batisi TV ulai tu bawat hapdeng kani kejing wanan shop kibor kamariang ya kejala handai kalong pat ke badan bok hadu kata-kata namar kam syam ladan pat kano kejing ja basusi ne kejing ya breu tak hadu kani kasngi ke arpun trek ubna jembang arajar arpo kat kum kejing tu jong Menteri Sarkar hadu arpoi tli kisnong bat hadu syajar sauspa khandai pulai ngon kibreu kila Shakta hagani ki arpsau kenta balala na ki laispa san pu artli ki yeng shong breu ndreu tli ki yeng kila julor baha katba laispa sapulai pan kila syak penjular mulumala hagani ki jingwanan shop ki bor kamariang uba kermen challa ulai tu baka West Garo Hills kadai ke balak ham Shakta baha na ka jing silai bat na ka jing len shop jong ka eryong ke bala selat di kisnong ki baha papo ka tikri kila CNRD block bat ka dem dema ke balaja hak arpsan trek matabnai jembang arajar arpo nalor kene lai toru ba upria ubajur ringkat ke eryong kila selat ru ya kasnong motion road mauthat raishan bat ke Nostine CNRD block ki baha papo ka West Castles district ke eryong ka bajur baha kala selat ru ya kasnong bakmara gasopara ronggara bat chokpot CNRD block ki baha papo ka South Garo Hills bat ke zigzag CNRD block ke baha papo South West Garo Hills kat bau labba ubajur baha ula penchlai ya ke bajeng doba ke baha papo ka North Garo Hills district ubak kermen challa ulai toru baka sarkar kelabo santli ki kitam sa bashipo nakabenta ban ajakare yaki longyeng ki bala Shakta nakani ki jingwan shop ki bor kamariang
number of village affected ngidon kumba arpo waitli ki ishnong ki bonakta and then population affected 1493 shiajar sauspa khandai pulai and then human loss ke jingyap jung ki bri hodum arpu santri padon so kumbanga yo jing tip ngam tip ke jing sisa wada kalau ka fight nem don tharai ke we ke life loss re ya kata hing insilio ke details na shai na banta jung tasni and then kini ki house damage number of house damage ni don kumbalai spa sampo artli ki belong fully damaged really but partially damaged livestock slightly and then we don't kini ki relief camera kiba ladep sedap kumbasan teli and then we don't kini ki team kiba deploy from state force STRF we don't and then state police and fire but ki don't kini ki boat taban lagi itu ki bro and then ada hoi district wise ada bi kwa ke district we don't have any district wise West Garo Hills we affect the flash flood and cyclonic storm occurred on the 24th May 2020 under 3 Tikri Kila CNRD block and Demdama and then North Garo Hills heavy rainfall occurred on the 24th May 2020 under Bajung Doba block. And then number 3, West Khasi Hills. Hailstorm, cyclonic storm occurred on 24th May 2020 at Mao Shin Road and on 25th May 2020 Mao That Rashan and Nostine CNRD block. And then South Garo Hills, cyclonic storm occurred on the 25th May 2020 under Bakmara, Gaswapara, Rongara and Chokpot CNRD block. And then Southwest Garo Hills, cyclonic storm occurred on 25th May 2020 under Zigzag CNRD block. These are the kini-kini affected district as per hadu record bagi yo ka Arpusantri min 24 Hai, haduk ke Arpusantri kedai kini report bagi yo. Rina benta jong kini report berdangsa gidang ya, nomor 4 yo ki details bidang ab ki details bidang collect ki report yo number of ki district and plus ki don chibon ki landslide kum ha east Tente hills, west Tente hills, and don ki flood west Tente hills ki bon ki flood dan Garo hills chibon ki flood. So baro kita ki report bidang ab what dia kita jing do ye tai we sembu bidang ab ki report details jong kita ru the at present ngam don ke full details jong kita tengah 4 bulan high report. So hopefully la shai will, if I'm not mistaken, mentan hidang yo ikren bari mawailat ki shila iwan ai kini ke me merendam jing ite bat ka cosmo ke jing kini ki calamities happen hapo jong ka west Tente hills itu ingat don ke mesin itu dan in details me iru impact ya ban ai nomor hidang up ke report. So until unless we have a proper report in Laban, I just maybe one single mistake will be a shame for our department there. So for the proper report, so I request to you kini boro ni follow the norms kat as per norms ni ai ki jingira ngimla ban le beyond ye norms and plus ngimla ban punduna ye norms. So as per norms ni ai ki jingira te ye kita boro hi min select assessment and plus kin sapha ki report chingi. Based on that means sapha being ki officer ban le ban shisha ye kata ke report, then after that the layo approvement dala approve ye kata means ha ye ki jingira as per for fund availability the masin don ke fund ni pelai ye kini ki jilor ni don kini ki SDRF I mean to say ki state police ki fire and then ki bon kini ki personal bakar ni don ni nalian cumi ni long aware and plus ni long prepare andre borong ni timo calamities can happen kinu ki banta andre plus kinu ki bi chai calamities nimna pandong landslide sometimes ni kala pan beyond ya ke expectation jungi ngimpat poi perkhat ba kini ki kumbaje manta this year hakani ke state jungi ki bon kini ki landslide kum ke area mo jawai area ngim cukup perkhat kandon kata ka calamity banu kini ki landslide re manta de huge effect jawai and then east Tente ngimpat poi perkhat ba kandon kum kita ki landslide anu this year la akyo tengi yakini hi ngimnut ban ba kini ki tim bangidon bangi la pantakel lenengim la andre nalian chungi ke department ni persangkat balahi ban ai ke maximum ke jingira in banta jong pai pa rewala ka taru ngimdu jingkermen andre ke besin tenan panomo kumbanga ong asper report hadu ar santrik ndon ke jingdu ye imsem re besin si panom menta ngidang up ye ke we report yo la si ke digi jing shisha ni kunde. So ni still some A and plus we do feel bad for that ringin le kumon jumple and plus lagataru we are trying our very best but yada ki paipa no loss of life should be there ki highway as per now but yes never effect and kini ki enter kini ki surab support what say ki connected ye ki village to village kum kita don ki effect kila chingirap karke kato banga budsin ngala itu apa house ba ni IR pusan la mana ki district te DC la pundon kami kato ka fund anytime badon kum kini ki calamity whether is a storm ni kino ki jingja penjulor na kemarin ila pundon kami kato ka 25 la te kato ka IR pusan la dala anytime lada down kam shu hakum kini ki for naliang chungi ni pha bi ni paisa as per required kan badang don katuk paisa dan kin perlu cuara katuk 25